In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Apple Calendar widget color. This process is a bit unique since you cannot directly alter the widget's color. Instead, it automatically adjusts based on the colors of the calendars you have set up. Additionally, it will sync with your iPhone's light mode, dark mode, or tinted home screen settings. Understanding these limitations is key to achieving the results you want. Let's dive into the steps needed to modify your calendar colors effectively. First, you will need to open the Calendar app on your iPhone. This application is typically found on your home screen, represented by a classic calendar icon. Upon opening it, you will see your upcoming events and the different calendar views available. This is an essential step because changing the colors starts here. By accessing the Calendar app, you set the foundation for customizing how your events appear, not just in the app but also on your widget. Next, tap on the Calendars button located at the bottom of the screen. This action reveals a list of all the calendars you have added to your account, such as work, personal, or shared calendars. It is important to take a moment to review your calendars. Each calendar can have a different color assigned to it, which will affect how events appear on the widget. By tapping on this button, you open up the ability to change those colors to better organize your schedule visually. For new widgets, once you are in the calendar's view, locate the calendar whose color you want to change. Tap the Emo button next to that calendar. This button signifies information and will lead you to settings specific to that calendar. After tapping it, you will see options that allow you to customize the appearance of that specific calendar. This is a crucial step because it directly influences how your calendar events will be displayed on the widget. Now you will need to choose a new color for your selected calendar. A color palette will appear, offering various options to personalize your calendar's look. Select the color that best suits your preference or organizational needs. This customization helps in visually distinguishing between different types of events. Once you have made your choice, you will notice how this change impacts your calendar widget, making it clearer and more tailored to your needs. After selecting your new color, tap Done. This action confirms your choice and saves the new color setting for that calendar. You will see a confirmation appear, ensuring that your changes are effective. All events from that calendar will now appear in the new color, including those displayed in your calendar widget. This step is vital as it finalizes the customization process, allowing you to enjoy a more personalized calendar experience. If you want to change the widget's overall appearance, you can customize your home screen. Start by touching and holding an empty area of the home screen. This will allow you to enter edit mode, where you can make adjustments to your home screen layout. Customizing your home screen can enhance your interaction with your device, making it not only aesthetically pleasing but also more functional. Next, tap Edit. This will lead you to options that let you modify various aspects of your home screen. Here, you can select how you want your widgets to display based on your preferred appearance settings. This is important because it directly influences your experience with the calendar widget and how it integrates with your overall home screen design. Choose Customize from the available options. This will bring up settings that allow you to select between light, dark, automatic, or tinted modes. By picking one of these options, you adjust how the calendar widget and all other widgets appear on your screen. This flexibility helps ensure that your home screen aligns with your personal style or current lighting conditions, making it easier to read and navigate. In iOS, widget colors change in accordance with these home screen settings. This means that whenever you adjust the appearance settings, the calendar widget will reflect those changes. Keep in mind that Apple does not currently allow custom themes or individual widget colors for the built-in calendar widget. Understanding these limitations helps you make informed decisions about how to best set up your calendars and widgets for an organized experience.